बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह ताला की रहमत, करम, शुक्र और फजल के साथ करते हैं आज की वीडियो का स्टार्ट। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द कॉजेज ऑफ कार्डियक अरेस्ट। Before we discuss already about the definition of cardiac arrest. Today our topic is the causes of the cardiac arrest. Now let's start, inshallah, the causes of cardiac arrest. You can see I make the two columns, two tables. In the first table you can see the red color, these are the questions, and the second table at the right side, this is in green color, these are the answers. Inshallah, I will try my best to make my video in a very easy way, and you will remember it in a very quick way and in a long time. After watching these videos, you will inshallah remember it in a long time, not for 1 hour or not for one day. Inshallah, after watching this video, you will remember it inshallah for a long time. Inshallah, I will try my best. Okay, let's start. The first question: the most common cause of cardiac arrest. The most common cause of cardiac arrest is the coronary artery disease. Okay, I will also speak in a very slow motion that you pick all the points in a very easy way. Okay, the most common cause of cardiac arrest is the coronary artery disease. You can see this picture. This is the artery, and some plaques or clots, fats are deposited in it. You can see this picture. This is the artery, and these are fats deposits in it, which leads to the coronary artery disease and finally the cardiac arrest. Okay, the next question: what is the coronary artery disease? Coronary artery disease, also known as coronary heart disease or ischemic heart disease. Okay, next question: coronary artery disease involves the reduction of blood flow to the heart muscles due to formation of plaques in the arteries of the heart. I already show you the picture. There was one artery, inside there was a plaque, there was fats, which leads to the coronary artery disease, CAD, and finally leads to the cardiac arrest. Okay, next question: coronary artery disease is the most common form of which? The cardiovascular diseases. Okay, the next question: sudden cardiac arrest and sudden cardiac death occur. When it was occur? Sudden cardiac death and sudden cardiac arrest will occur when the heart abruptly begins to beat in an abnormal or irregular rhythm, which we call arrhythmia. Okay, when arrhythmia will produce, then it will lead to sudden cardiac arrest or sudden cardiac death. What are the arrhythmias? I will here showing everything like arrhythmia definition. I think you already know everything about the arrhythmia or coronary artery disease, but I am here giving the explanation that you pick up in a very easy way and remember it all things which you have already forgotten. What are the arrhythmia? Arrhythmia is also known as cardiac arrhythmia or heart arrhythmia. It is a group of conditions in which the heartbeat is irregular. Arrhythmia is a group of conditions in which the heartbeat is irregular, too fast or too slow. The heart rate that is too fast, above 100 beats per minute in adults, is called tachycardia. You can see I attach one picture of the tachycardia. I will give you the time to watch it. You can see these are it's the ECG. These are tachycardia. Okay. Now next, the heart rate that is too slow, below 60 beats per minute in adults, is called bradycardia. This is the ECG of sinus tachycardia, and this is the ECG, and this is the bradycardia. Now I am telling to you about bradycardia. This is the ECG of sinus bradycardia. You can see this is the bradycardia showing. Above you see already. I will show you again. Sinus tachycardia. You can see sinus tachycardia, and now you can see sinus bradycardia. This is the lead 2 with a heart rate of about 50. Okay, this is also a ECG of arrhythmia, but I will not tell you about this ECG, what type of this arrhythmia. Please tell me in the comments after see this ECG. Okay, see this ECG and see this ECG, and after you can tell me in the comments about this type of arrhythmia. Okay, the next, without organized electrical activity in the heart muscle, there is no consistent contraction of the ventricles. When there is no electrical activity, then there is no contraction of the ventricles. So you can remember, if no electrical activity in the heart, then no consistent contraction of the ventricles. You can see these are the ventricle. Now is pumping, alhamdulillah, in a very good way. But if there is some problem in the heart muscles or in the electrical activity, then it will not pump in this way. Which results in the heart inability to generate an adequate cardiac output. When ventricles will not contract in a natural way, then the heart will not produce adequate cardiac output. Arrhythmia most frequently recorded in sudden cardiac arrest and sudden cardiac death. There are two types of arrhythmia which can lead to sudden cardiac death or sudden cardiac arrest. The first arrhythmia is the ventricular fibrillation, and the second arrhythmia is the ventricular tachycardia. Now I will tell you what is ventricular fibrillation. Definition of ventricular fibrillation, VF. Ventricular fibrillation is an abnormal heart rhythm in which the ventricle of the heart shake with rapid motion instead of pumping normally. It is due to disorganized electrical activity. You can see this ECG. This ECG is the ECG of ventricular fibrillation. Now, what is ventricular tachycardia, VT? Ventricular tachycardia is a type of regular fast heart rate that arises from improper electrical activity in the ventricles of the heart. Now I will show you the ECG of ventricular tachycardia. This is the ECG of ventricular tachycardia. Okay. These all are the causes of cardiac arrest. The next cause, the less common cause of the cardiac arrest, is the asystole. This is the less common cause. What is the asystole? Asystole is the absence of ventricular contractions. You can see in this ECG there is no ventricular contraction. This is called asystole. Please remember it. Okay, now please you also answer in the comments. I will give you some ECG and you please give me answers in the comments. The first ECG you can see. The first one, please write in the comments what type of this arrhythmia. Now this is the second one. Please also write in the comments what type of this arrhythmia. This is the third one. Please also write in the comments which type of this arrhythmia. This is the number 4 ECG. Please also write in the comments which type of this arrhythmia. Number 5. This is also arrhythmia. Please write in the comments what type of arrhythmia it is. Okay. Please answer these questions. Now, as before I told you, I also will tell you the formula, easy formula to remember the causes. Okay, this is the formula. This is a sign of formula. Formula sign, formula sign, formula sign, F for formula. Okay, what is the formula for the causes of the cardiac arrest? You can see coronary artery plus ventricular fibrillation leads to cardiac arrest. This is only the formula. You can remember after formula the causes. C for coronary, A for artery, V for ventricular, V is used 2 times, therefore I write here 2. When coronary artery plus ventricular fibrillation leads to cardiac arrest. Okay, C for coronary and the C for coronary artery disease. You can see C for coronary and C is the coronary artery disease. This is the first cause. A for artery and A for arrhythmia, and arrhythmia is the second cause. Number 3, ventricular fibrillation. I told you before the formula. It is the formula, ventricular 2 times, V 2 times. Number 1, V, ventricular fibrillation, and number 2 is the ventricular tachycardia. Okay, this is all about the causes of the cardiac arrest. Please remember it and also please answer in the comments. Thank you very much. Inshallah. Now I will come with the next video. Thank you.